Alright, welcome. For today's tutorial, we'll be replicating this birthday flyer design by this thing design. So we'll just only be changing the image and we'll be using the concept that the original designer used. So the first thing is let's set our image size. The width, we'll only be changing the width 1024, the height remains 1280. And we've done that. So we want to put our background color and we'll pick it from our design. It's not gonna be a pure white. So the color code is F8 F8 F8. So it will be a pure white. So let's see. I got some images and I'll be seeing the one that will be most appropriate for this design. So just work with me. So this is the first design I have in mind, image rather. Then I have here's the other one. Also have this. So you have this. Let me no. Let me lock this, then include this. This is another idea. Remember, we're not using the original this thing that was used, the original image. So let's bring in the last concept. We'll be using one of the three images I just selected. I would have loved this one. Just the challenge is that it cropped like it's not a full image. This one would have been most appropriate, but it's not a full image. So you see, although there are ways we do these things sometimes, but you have to know how to do it before you do it. Let's bring it to the front. So let me see if this one will work. I want to do something. Copy, crop this, crop this. Something I wanted to try out. Uh, let's just delete this. That could work, but it will take our time. So I still want to see how we can use this design. Just few things will be changing, and let's lock it, bring it to the front. So let's say we'll be using this image for this tutorial. So the first thing we want to do is bring on all those shape that has happy birthday written on it. So we'll have or okay, delete this. Let's use text rather. I want to write happy birthday distinct. Happy birthday is a period, then distinct, and we'll have it like this. We'll have it like this. So the color will be black, of course. Then we'll change the font to, let's see, maybe uh let's see, no, okay, let's say we use this one. Then we want to copy this, then give some space, paste it, give some space, paste it, give some space, paste. So do this, do this. If this is the first time on my channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel, like and share, and let other people know what we're doing here. So now we have the color back there, and we'll be using the background. But for us to get this background, we'll pick it from the original design. Pick it like this. And you want to adjust the top. Okay, oh, the top rather. I was doing the other one. 15. So let's see. I want to add. Okay. I wanted to add a shadow effect, but I would have to use a normal shape to do that. So let's just go straight ahead to business and rotate this. Let's see. Let's use a common rotation. So let's use rotate 10 for here. Copy. Now this one here would use a white. The background color will be white. So you want to have something like this, then rotate it. Come down here like this. Then we'll copy this one. We'll change the rotation. Alright, so let's copy this one. I want to copy it. Place it around here, rotate it. Then copy. Still copy, rotate this. And copy this. Rotate it, come somewhat upward. Okay. And still copy this. Rotating this one like this. Then copy this. Rotate something like this. Beautiful. We've successfully done that. So we want to start taking some things backward and forward. So we take this back to the back. Take this to the back. Take this to the back. To the back. To the back. Then what other one? Okay. Let's lock all of them. Lock it to the main image. and I want to bring this. So we're going to bring in a shape. We're going to make it black. Then we're going to have a text that says AUG color white, font. What is the name of this font? Orthography. Okay, something similar. Not exactly, but this will still work. So I want to copy this, then put in O1. Let's still use the popping font. Okay, let's use the one that is light, the regular version. So we have this to be like this. Then you still want to copy this. Okay, let's copy this. Erase the background color. We just need the text. So happy birthday distinct. But before that, let's do something. Shape. So bring it to the front. We want to see how it will align. Remove the rotation. Okay. Let's see. Space this out. Let's see. Copy. Then see how we can rotate. Copy. See how we can rotate again. Size. Reduce it by 2. Okay, we're making progress. As you can see, rotate this. So I want to bring this one to the front. Let me see. Bring this to the front. So I want to see how I can align this text towards it. Okay, we've done that. Then this last one, still see how we can align it, rotate, and perfect. So let's bring this to the front. Bring this to the front, and now we can take out that white, delete it. So we want to merge this first. August, this and this three. Let's merge them together. So we made all of them together, and we've done that. So you just reduce the size and place it here. So that's what we're doing all this way. We need to achieve this. Then still copy this. Okay, bring in a new text. Bring in a new text. Then write happy birthday distinct. Paste the text there. Happy birthday distinct. Yes, the color still black. Then alignment, give it the right alignment. Then the font, still our popping font. Poppins. So we want to reduce this, place it here. So the size, still reduce the size. 25 is okay, I believe. But if you want to make it smaller, you can make it 20. I want it to be pure black. You can make it 20, and yeah. So you just do this here. I wouldn't want to do much paparazzi. So you can see the reason why this image like this is because it's not a full image. If not, it should have stretched to the top, but it's still a good one. So we just want to copy this, and shout out to the original designer, Distinct Designs. So this birthday flyer, we just try to see how we can replicate it. So let's see. Distinct. So okay, copy, then we put designs. So for this distinct, let's use that same orthography font. Go to recent orthography. So you can have something like this. It's not exactly it, but it will still go. So we have it to be like this. So with that, we're able to replicate this. We didn't do much paparazzi. Bring this to the front. So now you can see we're able to replicate this. You can delete it. So you can save your image like this. It's still beautiful. The reason why the image should have come to the top, but this particular image I use it's not a full image. So we just have to make do with it, but we're still able to achieve something. So with that, we'll come to the end of our tutorial. All you need to do is save as project and save as image. Once more, I want to give a shout out to the original designer, Distinct and Design. So I will see you in our challenge tomorrow.